Alright everyone, I'm going to make a video today to help you determine the length of line segment graphically. So to start, I pre-plotted my points. There's my point A, there's my point, that's my point A right there at -5, 6, and there's my point B at 8, 3. So I pre-plotted those because it's a pain in the butt to do it on the iPad. I can label them real quick if you'd like. That's point, sorry about that. Let's just undo that and click a different. There we go, that's probably better. That's point A, that's so much better. That's point B, perfect. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, because it's a graphical method, I'm gonna kind of draw a right angled triangle. And when I draw my right angled triangle, I'm kind of looking all the way across and I'm looking all the way down and I'm trying to draw a right angled triangle. So it takes a little bit of like paying attention and looking. If I wasn't using an iPad, I'd be using a pen. And so now I count to see how or what is the length of that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units high. So that looks good. And now I'm going to figure out what that length right there is. Again, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13. And I got 13 there. So now I'm going to, because it's a right angled triangle and I'm trying to find out the hypotenuse, which is known as C, I'm going to use A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And I know that it would be a 9 squared plus 13 squared equals C squared. And I feel like I've done something dumb and not grab a calculator, so I'm just gonna walk and grab a calculator really quick because I see a moment where I'm gonna really need one on the horizon, and that's gonna be needed. So I know 9 times 9 is 81, so 9 squared is 81, and I'm pretty sure I know what 13 squared is, and I think it's 169, but I could be wrong. 13 squared is 169. C squared plus 81, so that's 250 when you add them together, and that's what C squared equals. So now I've got to take the square root, and then I know that C equals the square root of 250. I can't do that in my head, but that would be 15.81 units, and we use the class rule of rounding 2 decimal places. So that's basically the graphical method of how you would find the length of line segment.